Hello and welcome back to our channel. We're going to be speaking about the VLX series of encoders from our partner Netzer. These encoders are engineered for precision, built for performance, and designed for the most demanding industrial and robotics applications. With its ultra-thin, low-profile design, the VLX delivers high-precision motion control in a compact form factor. Its hollow shaft and low inertia structure enhances system efficiency, reduces weight, and optimizes dynamic response. By utilizing advanced contactless capacitive sensing, the VLX ensures wear-free, long-term reliability, even in high-performance systems. The VLX encoder offers outstanding performance, including accuracy of up to 0.006 degrees and repeatability of up to 0.0007 degrees. A resolution of 23 bits or 8,388,608 position values with a maximum speed of 6,000 RPM. With operational temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. For shock and vibration, this encoder is certified to IEC 60068-227 and MIL 810G standards, with an MTBF mean time between failures of over 4 million hours. With flexible communication options, including SSI and BIS-C, with position sampling rates of up to 375 kHz. An optional built-in test ensures seamless system monitoring. The VLX is available in multiple sizes, from the compact VLX 25 to the high-accuracy VLX 247. with outer diameters ranging from 25 to 247 millimeters and inner diameters from 2.2 to 171 millimeters. From precision automation to industrial robotics, the Netzer VLX series sets a new benchmark for precision, durability, and efficiency. Compact, powerful, and reliable, the ultimate solution for modern motion control. If you're interested in this product or want to find out more, use the information on the screen or in the description below. Thank you for watching.